The next generation Volt Alert AC non-contact voltage testers are easy to use. Pocket pen style voltage alert detector tester alarm features detects AC voltage without metallic contact. Entire outer surface is non-conductive for safety, helps avoid high voltage shock. White LED illumination light, convenient for operating in darkness. Detects AC voltage without metallic contact. White LED illumination light, convenient for operating in darkness, fits in a shirt pocket for convenience. Features are alarm prompt sound. Frequency range 50 to 500 Hz. Test voltage range 90 to 1000 volt AC. Safety rating 1000 volt Cat IV. Powered by 2x AAA batteries. A perfect toolkit for home and electric industry uses. Ideal design for testing power cables, circuit breakers, wall sockets, junction boxes, fuses, etc. Just press the button. White LED light can be always on when there is an absence of voltage. Beep sound and red flashing LED would indicate the presence of voltage. Totally insulated, no exposed metal or conductive parts. Long life and low power consumption. Compact, safety, and easy to carry. Very convenient for electricians, maintenance, service, safety personnel, and homeowners can quickly test for energized circuits in the workplace or at home. Entire outer surface is non-conductive for safety, helps avoid high voltage shock. Quickly locates the hot, neutral and ground terminals in any receptacle. Voltage sensitivity. Being an electrician, this is an awesome product which will solve most of the problems you face with insulation of the wire.